Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Aolon Watch Tetra S5. And on this video, we are going to explore one of its smart features, and that is the app notifications. We will also have a demo of the SMS notifications. So if you are interested to see the Aolon Watch Tetra S5 smart notifications in action, watch this video and of course support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the Aolon Watch Tetra S5 smart notifications. We are already paired with the support app GloryFit, and let's activate some of the apps here. As you can see, we do have the push messages, we have SMS reminder already activated, we have app reminder, and we are going to use the Instagram, so we'll activate this. We already set the permissions. We have the messenger here, WhatsApp application, and the other one, Viber. Okay, so we have the following applications. So we will use the Viber, Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, and of course the SMS messages. So let's start with our Messenger account. Alright, so let's start. Let's open our Messenger here. So let's start with Messenger. Let's send a message to Sam. So this is the phone of Sam. Okay, it's connected to our Aolon Watch Tetra S5. So let's say hello. Hello, Sam. And let's send a message. And as you can see here, we receive a notification. Let's put this here. And we have a notification from Sam. Tap on it and we have here, hello, Sam. And what are the details here? We have the time, logo, the name of the sender, and the message. We have an option here to delete the message. Next, let's have another one, hello again. Then let's add an emoji. Okay, can we receive an emoji? Message sent. Okay, there's some delay on the messages here. Let's have, hi, how are you? Guess just some issues with connectivity for Messenger, and we have it here. Okay, just delayed. Hi, how are you? And hello again. As you can see here, there's no support for emoji. You cannot receive emoji here on the smartwatch. Next, let's have a call here. So calling, let's try to call Cindy here, and we have incoming calls. You have an option to deny the call, end call. Okay, so it works for our Messenger application. Next, let's have the WhatsApp application. Again, let's send a message to Cindy. Hello, how are you? Message sent. Hi, and we have it here. Okay, so we have the message, the same format. We have the logo, the time, the name of the sender, and the message. We have an option here to delete the message. Okay, back. Okay, next, before we switch to another feature. Let's send a longer message here. Message sent. And we have here, so we have a scrolling feature for the messages, but as you can see here, it's not displayed here. Not all of the text is displayed. Every letter, let's look for the every letter. Okay, until here, only one sentence, one or two sentences here. As you can see, it's only alphabet and is, as you can see. Okay, then last one for Cindy, let's have a call here. And we have here a missed call notification. Okay, so as you can see here, we do have a support for missed call notification for our WhatsApp and as well as Messenger. Okay, so Messenger and WhatsApp application works with our Tetra S5. At least 2 sentences for the messages. We don't have a support for quick reply as well as emoji. Okay, as you requested, we will cut the video. We'll have at least 5 minutes video now due to popular request. We'll have a second video for our Instagram and Viber as well as messages. So if you have any questions, drop a comment below and watch our second video for the notifications. For the demo, we will have Instagram, Viber, and SMS messages. Again, like, share, and subscribe.